Well, it's 15 days, all for free. Parents and kids on a learning spree. It's Suncoast Remake Learning Days. It's fun and it's free, our brains are ablaze. It's Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Let's go!
Well, we are super excited. Sarasota County Parks, Recreation, and Natural Resources. We've gone big this year. So we have 4 different events for you to come join us at this year. We're kicking it off on Saturday the 19th at the Mini Ridge, Bee Ridge Park. That's for teens. You've got to come check out our new teen center that's free, and we want you to take part of that. And then for kids with disabilities, we have an event for you on the 22nd down at Shamrock Park. Adventures in Nature, celebrating Earth Day with every ability. So that's for children with disabilities on Earth Day, something really unique and special. And of course, everyone's favorite on Saturday the 26th, Big Truck Days back at Cool Today Park. If you haven't been, you need to be there. Big trucks, can we say more? It's an amazing event at Cool Today Park, and you also can get inside the stadium and a sneak tour behind the scenes. And then we're wrapping up at the end with a new event called Blossoms for Mom. It's a tea for little ladies at the Philippi Estate Mansion on the 29th. So we hope you can join us, and it's going to be a great time.
Hi, I'm Asya Stewart, and I represent Fruitville Elementary and also our toy company called Unit Bricks, and we're putting together Build It Together event at Fruitville Elementary on May 2nd, Friday from 6 to 8 p.m. We invite families from Fruitville Elementary and from the whole county to join us for hands-on experiential Build It event. You can build anything you want. We're gonna have partners like Fab Lab and STEM Mania together. So it's gonna be fabulous, fantastic family learning event.
I'm Victoria Ramirez. I'm with the University of South Florida, Sarasota Manatee campus, and we are hosting 3 events, one of which is called Forensics, and that's F-U-R-Ensics, because we're solving a doggy crime, and we're also offering it with American Sign Language interpreters. So we invite not only the general public, but anybody who uses ASL for interpretation to get a hands-on experience in partnership with Sarasota County Sheriff's Office, lifting fingerprints, extracting DNA, learning about ink pen chromatography, comparing hair and fibers, and even analyzing DNA samples.
On the 21st, on Monday, at Sarasota Art Museum, I'll be working with Kumiko Yamamoto, doing paper and motion. It's origami and creative movements. And then on the 27th is a Sunday, I'll be at Dream Large and Overton Square Park. A huge event. We're doing stories, bringing them to life through drama, dance, and visual art this year. We've got Humpty Dumpty, Giraffes Can't Dance. We'll be dancing and making art. It's gonna be so much fun.
It's fun and it's free, our brains are ablaze. It's Suncoast